Today on Josh Paints, Josh will be painting. We will be painting all these brackets here. I got an air ride kit all tore down and sandblasted. I have the airbags here ready to paint. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe all these parts off, blow them off, whatever else we gotta do to get them ready to paint, and we're gonna paint. Because that's what this channel is for, is painting. So what do you guys think of this? I changed out the floor lights, the footwell lights, to green. I put green lights in up here. And then we also installed some Grand General watermelon lights in the back corners. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. And they all run off of the same switch here, off of our footwell light. So I can turn them on and off. And then for anybody else that has a Freightliner of any shape or form, you know how bad your dome lights are? Well, check these things out. Holy cow. And the back one's not even on. Okay, the first coat is on. I'm about to go crazy because I'm videoing and I don't have music. So that's the first coat. I'm gonna put a second coat on. It's gonna look right like the first coat. So I'm not gonna video it. And then I'm also gonna clear coat, and I'm not gonna video that either. We're just gonna have to get a good look at it when it's done, okay guys? I can't do this to myself. I'm going nuts. Let me tell you, for having bad casting and rough steel, this paint job turned out a lot better than I thought it would. It has a great shine to it. It's gonna last a long time because it's base clear. This is my first color matching experience with the Jimmy Farrell air ride kit. I think it's gonna look absolutely great. The welds on this are just phenomenal. I don't know who does Jimmy Farrell's welding, but his welding is like, it's nice. So we're gonna get this kit installed hopefully within the next week or two. And I don't know what else I want to show you in this video. I already know you guys have seen better welds than that. I know somebody's going to comment saying, if you think that's a good weld, wait till you see what I can do with my stick. Listen, normally man, this guy makes a lot of noise pressure washing. Normally, I was the one that welded our own kits together, and I've seen a lot of other built kits, and I think they're nice. That's all that matters right now. Okay, guys, let's take a look at what we added to the Freightliner. We got 6 new Grand General Spider lights installed in the back. And then these are the trucks. Backup spotlight. I know. It's I said the word. But listen, they're probably only going to get used once in a great while, so hopefully they last at least a year, okay? The main reason that I was in here though is we believe we have a bad front rear. So I went ahead and pulled it out and we're waiting on a new rear to show up. And I'm probably not going to be making videos for a long time again because that one over there, the white one, we believe it threw a rod out I don't know if it's out the side of the block. I haven't opened the hood yet, but I'm going to be doing a rebuild on that pretty shortly here. I didn't mean to say pretty shortly. I'm going to make another video after I learn how to speak. Okay, guys?